Hi, in this lecture I want to talk about how you can create a simple Contact Me page. Now, some of the process I'm gonna discuss here has been already mentioned earlier in this course. However, the steps are necessary and I consider it being of value to repeat some of the stuff that you already learned. To create this page, I'm gonna use a simple Contact Me form plugin. So the first thing we are gonna do is to go to plugins and search for the plugin we are looking for. So I'm gonna just go to plugins and click on add new. In this case, I already know the plugin I'm gonna use for the Contact Me page. So I'm gonna just type in Contact Form 7 and hit enter. And here is the plugin. So I'm gonna just go ahead and click on install now, and the WordPress should be able to install this plugin in just a few seconds. And as you can see, I was not even able to finish the sentence before the plugin was installed. Alright, so we can see that it downloaded the package from a URL where the plugin is stored, unpacked the package, installed the plugin, and also successfully installed the Contact Form 7. So the last step here is to click on activate plugin. So I'm gonna click on that one, and if we scroll down a little bit, you will see that the plugin is activated, and we know this by checking this link. If it states that the link is deactivated, then you know that the plugin is activated. So I'm gonna just go ahead and click on settings. So here is how it looks like. Most plugins that you are going to use while building your site are built up on the same way. In this case, I have a short code, and this short code is what you will be using on the Contact Me page that we are going to create soon. So I'm gonna just go ahead and select this part and copy it. If you like so, you can also edit the contact form. You can see that you can change the different strings of the input fields. You can configure the mail it is going to be sent to. You can click on messages to modify the different messages that are going to be shown once the user enters the data in the contact form, and also additional settings. So basically, the point of this is not to have you use this specific contact form, because there are probably better contact forms out there. However, this one serves its purpose and is pretty simple to install and also modify. So I'm gonna use this one to illustrate how you can create a simple Contact Me page. So as we already have saved the short code for installing the plugin on our page, I'm gonna just go to pages and click on add new. Here I'm gonna enter a phrase like contact me, and in the body of this page I'm gonna paste the short code I copied. So I'm gonna just go ahead and paste it, and this is basically what you need to do. In order to see how your page is gonna look like, you can click on preview, and hopefully the form is going to appear. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see that the form is there. So basically you have just created a Contact Me page where your visitor can reach you through. Back in time, this could take up to several hours or even days to achieve, because there were a lot of modification and coding, etc. involved to create this simple form. However, in WordPress, this can be achieved in just a few minutes, as you learned in this lecture. So if we go back to the page again and then click on publish and then go to pages, you will see that the contact form has been published, and here you see the contact form applied around earlier in the course. So this is basically how you create a contact me form in WordPress. Later in this course, I'm going to show you how to add this specific page to a menu. So stay tuned as we move further.